1 plus 3x all to the power 4. So let's have a look at this then. Use the binomial theorem to expand this bracket. So here's our formula here. So the first term, we descend the powers in the first term all the way down. So let's do that. The first term is 1. The second term b is 3x. And the power is 4. So it's a, the first term to the n. So a is 1. The power n is 4. So that's our first term. Then we've got nc1, which is 4c1. And then we decrease the power of the first term by 1. So that's, instead of 1 to the 4, is 1 cubed. And the second term, which is here, is 3x. And this increases in power. B to the 1 is here, isn't it? And we carry on in that same fashion along the row. So the next term will be 4c2. Then we're diminishing the powers of the first term, so that's 1 squared, and we're increasing the powers of the second term. So we increase that second term to squared. And we carry on in the same way. So the next one will be 4c3. Decrease the first in power, increase the second in power. And then the last term, 4c4, well, that corresponds to just b to the n, the second term to the power 4. So it's 3x to the power 4. So what do we get then? We've got 1 to the 4, which is 1. 4c1, so let's type that in the calculator. 4c1. We know what it equals, but just make sure we're all happy. It's 4 times a 1, and then times the 3x. That's that term. 4c2, let's tap that in, so that we're all okay with that. 4c2 is 6. So we get 6 for 4c2, 1 there, and then 3x squared is 3x times 3x. 3 times 3 is 9, x times x is x squared. 4c3. So let's go back and get 4c3. 4. 4c3 is 4 times the 1 times the 3x cubed. Well, that'll be 27 times the x cubed. 3 times 3 times 3. Then the last one is 3 to the 4, which is 81, and it'll be x to the 4, won't it? So what have we got? We've got 1 plus 12x here, 4 3s, 6 9s, 54, x squared, plus 4 20s are 80, 4 7s are 28, 80 and 28 is 108, x cubes, tap it in the calculator if you need to, plus 81x to the 4.